Merry Christmas!
Thank you to Mommy and Daddy.
Uh-oh. $68? Air fry bibingka.
Yay!
Close your eyes. Christmas time. So for today's video, sasama namin kayo sa aming Christmas celebration dito lang sa may apartment. Say hi!
Hi!
Magluluto lang si Enard ng carbonara and magluluto ako nung bibingka na air fried and buko salad, saka lechon kawali. Okay na yon, solve na tayo doon. Tapos pag gagawain ko pala si Yeshua ng gingerbread house. Hi video!
Hi, baby.
Here's our little Santa!
Hehe.
Hehe, say ho 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 ho! Ha ha ha! Lawag kiss to them. Ayan yung crispy pata ba? Ay, lechon kawali. And, syempre, ang all-time best na carbonara. Merong Filipino store dito. Kaso, syempre, ilang ata triple yung presyo as in quadruple ata or fifth pa. Limang times. Katulad yung spaghetti sauce, $8 ata yun. Tapos bumili kami ng banana leaf, around $5 siya kasi with tax. Mahahanap mo yung mga ibang items na galing sa Philippines kasi syempre iba pa rin yung lasa ng Pinoy products. Syempre sanay ng taste buds natin doon, diba? Yung hotdog dito, yung TJ, 1 kilo ata yun, $68? Nakakaloka, diba? Ang binili namin is yung Vida, almost $20 lang siya. Hindi na rin, at least may hotdog pa rin ng spaghetti, diba? So eto na nga, nakahanap ako ng recipe sa Instagram na air fry bibingka. So tingnan natin kung magiging successful. Litaan ko kayo. Bili kami ng llanera tsaka banana leaf para medyo talagang bibingka feels. Ayan na. Mix lang. Ganun lang. Tapos lalagay mo lang sa llanera after. Finish na. Diba? Wala tayong lalagyan. So, sa kaldero tayo naglagay. Malis tayo dito. Char. Fry na natin. So, second try to. Medyo nag-fail tayo sa pang-una. Hindi ko na napakita kasi failed nga, diba? Kasi ang galing ng lola mo. Yung ginagaya kong video. Naka-Celsius pala. Yung ginawa ko, Fahrenheit. So, ang tagal-tagal. Ang tagal ko nang nakasalang. Hindi pa rin natatapos. Naloka na ako. Feeling ko, hindi na siya mabubuo. So, kita mo nga, ayun o. Medyo nabuo naman siya. Ayun. Masarap naman.
Hindi siya masarap naman. Masarap siya. Tingnan nyo. O, diba? Ang ganda ko nga ng layer niya eh.
Kunwari, Philippine theme. Para hindi natin ma-miss ang bibingka kahit nasa Canada. After nito, gagawa tayo mamaya ng gingerbread house para may activity tayo with Bibi. Bukas, December 25. Wala masyadong ganap dito. Sarado daw talaga yung mga establishment, ganyan. So, maganda kung may car ka, pwede kang stroll na lang somewhere. Kanina wala tayong videographer, tapos na kasi magluto yung videographer. So, pwede na natin siyang abalahin. Tsaka, medyo pati na kami ng konti. Yan mo na. Ang temperature natin is 50 Fahrenheit. And 18 minutes lang muna. Bakit ba yung ko? Wala kasi akong bara eh. Parang nasobra naman ito alsa. Kasi tagal ata nating nababad di ba?
Ay, oo.
Yes, tagal kasi nangyari nung una eh. So, gawa pa tayo isang batch. Pero, huwag ko na ipakita. Pakita ko na pag-end na. Parang nagmukha siyang souffle pancake. Hi, Dad.
Hello.
What are you doing?
Ini-score natin yung ating crispy liempo para magmukha siyang holiday liempo.
Oh, di ba? Napakagulo ng bahay. Marami tayong gifts for Yeshua. Yung iba dito, hindi na brand new yan. Mga bigay na lang yan. Binalot ko lang para marami siyang buksan. What's that, Baba? Is that your toy?
Mom.
It's your toy. What will you say?
Thank you.
Oo, doon na yan.
Hey. Magkano bili mo dyan?
$20.
Ilang kilo yun?
Almost 1.1.
Baba, I have a surprise for you. Close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Wait for Mama there. Close your eyes, cover.
Close your eyes first. Close your eyes. Sabi ko, close your eyes. Sabi ko, close your eyes eh.
What's this?
What's his name?
What did you say to Mommy and Daddy?
Thank you to Mommy and Daddy.
Wow.
Kiss.
You're welcome.
Welcome. Oh, kiss dada.
Kiss Nada. Kiss Nada. Merry Christmas.
Pero parang tiki yung horse.
Ganyan talaga yung breed niya eh. Anak, anong ginagawa mo? Ba't ginagatasan mo? Okay, you want to ride the horse? You want to ride?
Yes.
Okay, you ride the horse. Yay!
You're too heavy. Yung gift niya nandito sa Christmas tree. Bukas na natin bubuksan. Kasi mag-iingay siya pag ginamit niya yun. Yung mga kapitbahay dito, aga matulog. Wala nga nag-videoke eh. Namimiss ko na yung nag-videoke. Careful, Baba. Hug the horse. Hug.
You like horsey?
Hi.
Hi. Love it?
It's here.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, feed the horse.
Why?
Why? Hindi pa you're feeding the horse kanina? Wow, you feed the horse.
What's the horse to say?
Nay.
Nay.
Nay! Merry Christmas, Mommy.
Merry Christmas.
Kailan ka nag-Merry Christmas sa video? Ay, si Merry Christmas na to, Mama.
Merry Christmas.
No!
Ah. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Ano ba yan? Camera conscious?
And Dada?
And Dada? Kiss Dada?
Christmas.
Mwah.
It's Christmas time! So, kainan na at picture-picture muna, syempre, bago lumamon. Yan. Naku, meron na tayong suki. Ayan. Anak, binibideo pa natin eh. Oh, carbonara, crispy jelly, and salad na may bawas, ice cream, sparkling wine, and sparkling juice. And bibingka a la Germany. Yan. Merry Christmas!
Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas again from the Sanchez!
Chances.
Yeah. Ano niya?
Kain na tayo. Itadakimasu. Merry Christmas! Let's do an activity. Gingerbread house.
Yeah.
Cookie kit. Gagawa tayo ng ganito.
What's that, Baba?
Pag tayong one lang.
Hi.
Ang house muna gawin natin. Galing to sa binigay sa amin na hamper.
Wow.
Ayan, ito yung icing. May mga candies. And ito yung house. Kita ba yan?
The cookies or the biscuit.
Biscuit pala. Meron pa akong nakuha ditong mga ano eh. Parang Smarties. So, ayan ni si Sir. Sige, payagan muna natin siyang kumain ng candy for today's video.
Start with the base.
Start with the base.
Cassie Day.
Ooh, ay mali si Dada. Baby.
Turuan mo siya, Daddy.
Squeeze it, baby. You draw the icing onto the line. Okay.
Okay. Oh, your long sleeves.
Mommy! You're in the line. Ah! What happened? Oh, we're now messy. Oh. Okay, let's put the sides. So, let's put it side by side. Oh no,
Didikit
there's
ba
a
siya?
crack. Yes, it will. Then you also need to hold it, Mommy. You
Parang
also put icings on the side where we will put the side walls.
Balls.
Yes.
Balls.
We put something.
Yes.
Dito ata dapat mo nilagyan eh. Oh, ikaw
Oh,
na. Ay!
uh-oh. What
Sige.
happened?
Sige, you eat that. Eat. Yummy?
Oh, you put this baby on the side. Okay,
Wow.
now
Let's
you have
taste.
your house without a roof.
Oh.
Uh-oh. What did you?
What did you do, Mommy?
What did you think of house?
Yes.
The towel.
Maraming tulo-tulo kasi nag-i-snow. Aray.
Am I?
Ay, Bobby! Bobby!
Oh.
Oh. Ganon.
Wow.
Wow, it's a house na, Baba.
Beautiful. What's nice?
Nice house.
It's beautiful. Miss
Kami talaga yung nag-activity, hindi talaga si Yesh.
Paper house. Paper drink.
Audience lang siya. Wow, babibiyak. Kaya dumikit.
Meron tayo yung, ano dyan, Elmer's glue.
Kaya di talaga ako nag-baker. Okay, put it here. Ay,
Uy! Why?
Let's look over here.
habibig na nagpupunta eh. Wow.
Eat that.
Ba't kinakain nyo?
No, do not eat that.
Mm.
Nakaan. For the house.
You put the balls on the intersection. Like this, oh. Mm.
Wow.
Wow!
Oh.
Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Baba, help!
Failed.
Where?
Failed ang ating bahay.
Uh-oh, nahulog na lahat.
Nahulog na.
Ilagay mo, huwag yung lagyan dun. Put the candy balls here.
Baba! You're not playing, you're eating.
Baby, put the candy balls here, oh.
Need help?
Need help? Okay, put it now.
Need help?
You can
Need
do
help?
it. Put it anywhere you want.
You can do it. Stick
Put
it
it
here.
anywhere you
Stick it.
want.
Wow!
Oh.
Good job, Baba.
What's happening?
Oh, put the candies.
Mm.
I do it.
Tadal, lakas ng boses.
Anak, it's for the decoration.
Not for the chicha. Good job daw, good job.
Good job. I wait for the food.
Diba, ang ganda ng Christmas activity namin. Ma-sugar. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa rin siya tapos, oh.
Hi.
Hi.
You get it.
Pero kinakain niya lang naman yung candy, sa totoo lang. Ini-etchos lang niya tayo. Ay, pero hindi, nilagay niya na lahat dun, oh. Oh, di ba? Happy na siya. So, kami na muna ni Daddy ay kakain ng mas matiwasay. Pababayaan na muna namin si Yeshua doon. Bukas, magpipicture kami dito sa Christmas tree. Tapos, open ni Yeshua yung gifts niya. Good morning!
Hey, Mom.
Oh, look, oh, Baba. There's a Santa. Socks. Oh, may gift sa'yo si Santa.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Check. What's inside?
Ah.
Wow. Oh, mommy help? Oh,
see.
get one. What's that?
Sabi niya,
Show it to that. Ay!
ba't hindi candy?
What else? What's that?
What's that, Baba?
A snowman.
Everybody snowman.
Okay, mommy will hold. Oh, mommy will hold. Oh, what else? You get something else?
What's that?
Wow. What else?
What's that?
Woo.
Woo! Okay, give it to mama.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What else?
What else?
Look.
Another one. Wow. Oh, what's
Oh.
that?
Lots of candies,
Candy.
What's that?
A basketball. What else? What's that? It's a popping candy.
It's one.
What's that? Abo. Para doon ka mas nasayahan, ha?
Thank you.
Thank you.
What job it is?
Oh, kiss mama, kiss mama. Open the gift. Yes. What will you say to mama and dada?
Kicking on me, Dada.
Yay.
Be a good boy, okay?
Did you be of it?
Open. Yeah, open now. Sige, dito, oh.
Wow.
Open here. Oh, wow.
What's
you know
that?
what's that?
What's that, Bobby? Hi. Ito talaga yung gift na yung kami talaga bumili. Hindi siya hingi, ganon. Yung ibang gift kasi, galing sa ibang tao, second hand na, or yung iba, brand new, bigay ng friends. Yung iba, bigay ng church, ganun.
Ito pinagtrabahuhan.
Ito, pinagtrabahuan talaga ni Daddy. 60 plus siya. Kasi para maubos ang energy ni Bebe, ayan, bumili tayo ng indoor trampoline. Papa, you like it?
Yes.
Yes!
Did you like it?
Oh, i-assemble muna namin. Hindi ko na isasama sa video kasi haba na naman ng video kapag gano'n. Yung isang gift ni Yeshua nung birthday niya, sinoli namin kasi kulang ng screw. Hopefully, ito hindi kulang. Kundi, babalik na naman namin to. Open your other gifts while Daddy's doing the trampoline. Okay, open. Oh, open. You open like this. What's that? Wow! What's that? A reindeer.
Moose.
Ah, moose. Moose ba yan? Di ba yung reindeer?
That's an elk.
Wow, you hug him.
Is that open?
Okay, open. This one, this one. Wow! What's that?
Spider-Man.
Yes.
I like it when I'm on it. This one?
Okay, this one. Oh, isa pa daw. Oh, yung iba dyan, hindi naman na talaga brand new. So, binalot natin para marami siyang buksan. What's that? It's a fish? Oh. Oh, close your eyes. Mommy will show you something. Mommy will show you something. Wow! It has lights.
Swim, swim, swim. This one.
This one. What's this one? Ito galing to sa hamper. Christmas hamper. Sa church.
It's a truck.
Yes, a truck. You like it? Wow! Like Dado. Oh. You can repair na rin. Oh. Oh. Dada, I have tools.
Thank you, Mommy, Dada.
Welcome. Love you.
I love you.
Nabuo na po. Oh, jump, jump, papa. Jump, jump. Jump, 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 jump.
What's that? Donkey.
Sige, diyan ka magpakapagod. Ubusin mo energy mo dyan. Hold.
Nut.
Then jump, jump.
Not a fish.
Yes. Go, 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 go. Exercise. Happy?
Hey.
Yay! Exercise.
Fish, exciting.
Yes. Baba, another gift from you. Ay, for you. For your birthday from Tita Siris. What's that? Wow! Drawing board. How about that one? What's that? Wow! Another tools! Oh, ay, naku, sinira naman talaga. Sabi ko, hindi mo palalaruin yan, sinira mo.
Pero yan na ka, dadaling ko sa site yan, ha?
Oh, you want to Dada?
Okay.
Wow! What will you say?
Thank you.
Oh,
Hi. Okay.